Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we're diving into a popular topic in JavaScript, and that is arrow functions. Whether you're new to JavaScript or looking to improve your skills, stick around because arrow functions are super useful, and we're going to break them down step by step. So let's get started. So, what exactly is an arrow function? Arrow functions are a shorter and cleaner way to write JavaScript functions. They were introduced in ES6 and have quickly become a favorite among developers for their simplicity. Here's a basic example of how they look. Here you can see a traditional function which returns the sum of two numbers. Let's convert it into an arrow function. Const add equals. Inside the parenthesis, we have to pass the parameters for the function x and y. Equal to sign, greater than sign, x plus y. As you can see, we've simplified the syntax. No more function keyword, and for single-line expressions, we can drop the curly braces and the return keyword. But don't worry, we'll break this down further. Let's focus on the syntax. In a traditional function, you'd typically write something like this. But with arrow functions, we can write that in just one line. Const greet equals name equal to sign and greater than sign. Hello plus name. Notice the difference? If we only have one parameter, we don't even need parentheses around it. If the function body is a single expression, you can omit the braces and the return statement is implied. Let's call this function console.log greet. Pass the name, let's say Jimmy. As you can see, it outputs hello Jimmy. But what if we have more than one parameter? Or none at all? No problem. Here's how it works. For multiple parameters, I already explained you this in previous examples. For no parameters, const say hello equals parenthesis equals sign and right arrow sign. Let's write a message. Hello, world. To wrap things up, here's a quick recap of what we've learned about arrow functions. They provide a concise syntax for writing functions. If there's only one parameter, you can drop the parentheses. For single-line expressions, you can omit the curly braces and the return statement. And that's a wrap on arrow functions in JavaScript. I hope this helped clear up any confusion and showed you how powerful and efficient arrow functions can be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.